Douchi is a seasoning made from whole, fermented black beans with black particles. On the outside, it can add minced garlic or chili pepper to make tempeh sauce. Traditional Chinese fermented soybean seasonings. It is a traditional Chinese fermented soybean seasoning. The Japanese once called tempeh nachi, and later it specifically referred to the sugar, natto invented in Japan. Tempeh is also commonly consumed in Southeast Asian countries, but is less popular in Europe and the United States. Douchi contains a variety of nutrients which can improve the flora of the gastrointestinal tract, detoxify various medicinal and food poisons. Let's use douchi to fried rice. Everyone knows that fried rice requires overnight rice, but are you confused as to why overnight rice is used? Compared with freshly cooked rice, the surface of overnight rice will become drier after the water evaporates overnight, so that, after frying, the rice grains will absorb the oil in the pot and separate more easily. According to this principle, freshly cooked rice can also produce the effect of overnight rice. In fact, the steps are simple. Just wait for it to cool down. Overnight rice. Douchi. Chili padi. Onion. Carrot. Chopped garlic. Cubes carrot. Cubes onion. Chopped chili padi. Heat oil. Stir fry onion until translucent. One teaspoon chopped garlic. Douchi. Chili padi. Carrot cubes. Overnight rice. Season with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Plate. Douchi fried rice is done. This douchi fried rice is so easy. Douchi fried rice is delicious with douchi saltiness, mixed with onion crunchy and sweetness. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I like easy recipes because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient. Come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya. Bye bye.